Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful and compassionate. Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? Good morning. You are watching AAW Knowledge Consultancy. Today we are going to start our first lecture of Speaking IELTS class. Today Mr. Naki Haider Shah is here.
Good morning, Assalamu alaikum, and good morning, my dear viewers. Today we are going to start IELTS speaking class. This will be our first speaking class, and today we are with us the Chief Executive Officer of AAW Knowledge Consultancy, my wife Iram Mazhar. She will gonna assist us. She will gonna take my interview, and my dear viewer, through this interview you're gonna improve your speaking English skills. This is a very vital and essential, my dear viewers. So all of those who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you can get my new videos. As we have both decided that this time inshallah we're going to make more interesting videos, more informative, more beneficial for our viewers. And today interview you will see, please listen carefully. I will teach you, we will gonna teach you the strategies, the skills, how to improve your speaking. Inshallah ta'ala, you will see you can achieve 7+, 8 band and 9 band easily. Happy so far? Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you very much. Today's interview is based on daily life routine questions. Okay, let's start. First of all, I would like to ask, do you offer your morning prayers?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yes, of course, I always offer my morning prayers. Morning prayers are essential and vital for all of us, because through prayers you close to Almighty Allah. Allah solve our problems. We ask food, life, health to Almighty Allah. So prayers are very essential for our growth and progress. Whatever we have religion, if we are Muslims, Hindu, Christians, whatever we have our religions, we must practice our religion. We must do prayers, because prayers are a source of healthy, wealthy life. You will be close to humanity through prayers, and humanity above all.
Jazakallah, very well said. Okay, my next question is, what are your favorite food dishes?
Well, I like a number of food dishes, like for example biryani, anything related to rice, chicken curry, mutton curry. I always like different vegetable foods, different lentil curries. So basically I used to eat balanced diet, because doctors and experts, they always test on a balanced diet. So I prefer to take a balanced diet, mix of all types of foods, vegetable, chicken, biryani, custard, food stuff, fruit stuff. So I enjoy my food. You know, healthy food is very essential for your healthy life. Nowadays, diabetes, heart problems, and other diseases are very common. Through these food, you know, sometimes people take unhealthy food. Due to these, people have different diseases like diabetes, heart problem, like fat, people become fat. So it's very essential and vital for us to take a healthy, balanced diet. So I like all types of dishes, like Chinese dishes, like rice dishes, like vegetable, lentils and curry. So I love eating food, balanced and healthy food.
Good.
So
okay, everyone likes shopping. How often you go for shopping, and where you go for shopping normally?
Well, I go to a number of places, different places for shopping. As you know, well, my wife is a qualified, decent lady. You know, she always focuses, and she's very much fond of shopping with me. You know, I'm a very much fond of shopping as well. We used to go to different places for shopping. For example, sometimes we go to Anarkali to buy different things, clothes, for example, shoes. For if we have to go Anarkali, sometimes we go to Mayo Hospital for shoes. Landa shoes are very, very, fabulous shoes. They are different brand like Nike. You can get the Puma and other brands of the shoes at a compatible, suitable price. Sometime we used to go to like Kareem Block. It's a very good shopping center. There we buy clothes for our kids. Then we will go to Barrier Town Bazaar, Jasmine Mall. We used to purchase different type of clothings, different types of shoes and different types of items for our family. Sometimes we used to go to Ichra Bazaar for shopping. As you know, Ichra is a very famous bazaar for its jewelry, other kind of bridal dresses and other kind of stuff. So we used to go a number of places for our shopping. My kids and my family, we really enjoy doing shopping because these sort of activities motivate people to achieve their goals and objectives. So it's a good source of, outing and, amusement.
Good.
What else next?
Okay. As we know, a man is known by the company he keeps. Okay, how often you visit your friends?
Yes, we are quite familiar. We are quite, we are very much focused on meeting with our friends and family members. So we often, once a week, we used to go to our relatives, to our family friends, because it's an opportunity to meet and greet with each other, to solve each other problems. Sometimes my friends, they used to come with their families and we enjoy a lot. We take food, we perform different activities. So sometimes we share, knowledge with each other. So it's a source of fun and recreation. So meeting with families and, going to your friends' home, to your family relatives, it's very essential for your, growth and for your personality development. And Almighty Allah says that Sila Rami, the meeting with your friends and relatives is a part of Sila Rami. So, you achieve success in your life and you achieve your goals and objectives efficiently and effectively by this strategy. And this is very essential. Our doors are open for our friends and we are very good, educated, religious and very vibrant and dynamic friends, and they are educated, they are wise and they play a very good role in our life, and we also motivate them, encourage them to achieve their goals and objectives.
Awesome. Okay. Do you go for a picnic in a party at the weekend?
Yes, of course. I always very much focus of going to different places. For example, we used to go to Greater Iqbal Park, the Shahi Killa for outing, and we did enjoy a lot, quite a number of time. Then we go to Lahore Museum to see history, culture and heritage, and this is a very informative, tour what we have done couple of times. And then we will move, sometime we go to Playland, Joyland, what we used to call Joyland. My kids are very much fond of going to Joyland. They used to enjoy different type of rides, different type of swings over there. So it's a sort of picnics and parties are a source of fun, knowledge and recreations. So we are very much focused and we always love going outings to different places. When I was in Rawalpindi, when we were in Rawalpindi 5 to 6 years back, we always used to go to Murray Mall, used to enjoy different things and different sceneries over there. We used to, do shopping over there. So since 2015, we are in Lahore. So we quite often we make a visit once a month, and we used to, go places like historic places and different shopping centers to enjoy ourselves, and we do enjoy through these picnics and parties. These are also a source of motivation, fun and recreation. These type of activities enhance your vision, your knowledge and motivate your kids and you to achieve your goals and objectives. They very much, when kids go to different relatives, when they go for outing, when they go for shopping, it gives them a courage to motivate themselves, and they really focus on their studies and they achieve their goals and objectives.
Very much.
So this is all, my dear viewers. You have seen that today we have taken this class with a very high hope. I hope that this time, my dear viewers, you will subscribe our channel. Those of you who haven't subscribed our channel, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you can get my new videos. My wife, the chief executive of 8AW Knowledge Consultancy, is with me, and I'm very much happy. You will see we will be there in our speaking classes. Inshallah, I will conduct 10 classes, speaking classes. This is our first lecture, and she is going to start her food channel sooner. You will see her in different making dishes. She's a very good cook. She's a very good teacher. My wife is a multi-talented person, and inshallah you will see.
In this way, you can improve your speaking skills if you will subscribe and comment us. Thank you very much. Wish you best of luck.
Thank you very much. May Allah bless you, health, wealth, peace and prosperity. Thank you very much. See you in next episode. Allah Hafiz.